Hi, I'm Scott with Window Cleaning Warehouse, and today we're going to take a look at the 425 litre compact system. Now the 425 litre compact system is a similar shape to the 325, and they come in a delivery option, a DI filtration option, or a 4-stage RODI option. This particular one is a DI filtration system. You can see the DI on the back. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. Now this is a pretty compact footprint and it sits low in the vehicle. So this will fit most small vehicles. You can check the dimensions on the website just to make sure that the space available in the back of your van is suitable for it. There's also the option to have a manual hose reel or the powered hose reel, the Power Up 3D fitted. This is the manual hose reel, and we'll take a closer look at that in just a second. The 425 litre system is only 54 centimetres tall to the tank, and it's just under a metre when you include the hose reel as well. The depth on the system is exactly the same as the 325, that's approximately a metre. The difference between the 325 and the 425 is the width of the system, whereby the 425 is just a little bit wider. Now in most vehicles you can have this fitted against the bulkhead so that the manual reel or powered reel go out the side door, or you can have it fitted lengthways so that you can access it from the back doors. Depending on the size of the vehicle, we'll tell you whether that's possible, but most vehicles are okay for that. The hose reel on this particular system is the ProLock heavy duty hose reel. Now it's fitted to the top of the system, so it's held in place. It comes with 100 meters of microbore hose. This is 8mm. If you have the powered reel, it would be 6mm microbore hose. And you can wind it in just using this handle, and you can actually lock the reel in place so it's not moving using the lock here. On the reverse is the inlet to the hose reel, and this is a Series 26 quick release coupling, so you can quickly take that hose off there, which runs from the DI vessel. On the top, you'll notice here we have a hose lock coupling, so you just connect your water-fed pole up here and you're ready to work. On the top of the compact system, you'll notice there is a vented lid. This is the same for the 325 and the 425, and you can just fill through here for this particular option. Like I said, this is the DI version of the system. If you're filling with an RO, there would also be 2 pre-filters and a membrane included on this system. Let's take a look at the DI vessel. So as I've mentioned, this unit is the DI version of this system, which means there's a single stage of filtration, and that's in this DI vessel here. Now this DI vessel is filled with loose resin, deionizing resin. You can buy that as a consumable via our website, and it will need changing once it has been spent. Now how long it lasts will vary depending on how hard or soft your water is, and also how many litres you're using daily. The more you use and the harder the water, obviously the quicker it will need changing. To disconnect this vessel and change it, you simply undo the bolts on the clamp and take off these hose lock couplings. These will just quick release, and then you can remove the vessel, take the lid off and replace the resin. The major electrical components of the system are held behind this faceplate. So here we have the digital flow controller. This is how you operate the system. There's also the pumps and strainers held behind here, and the battery for the system, which is a high power lead acid leisure battery, is actually held just on the side of the system here behind this faceplate. Now to control the system, like I said, you just use this controller here, and to turn the system on, you just press the up arrow and you'll instantly see a reading, a number, which will be the flow. And so that's going to tell you how fast or slow the water will be leaving the pump. Now to make that faster or slower, so you have more or less water, you just use the up or the down arrow, and you can get a reading on the battery, so how much charge is left in that battery, just using the return arrow here. To turn the system off, you hold the return arrow for 3 seconds, and then that's it. They're the primary operations for the system. The battery on the system is a lead acid leisure battery, and so it will need to be maintained like a leisure battery. Now the system doesn't come with a split charge relay as standard, but you can add one on, and what that will allow you to do is connect it to your vehicle battery, so that as you're driving and putting miles on the vehicle, you'll be putting charge back into the system. Alternatively, you can remove the battery from the cover and charge it from mains power just using a trickle charger. Now the system is fitted to the vehicle with 4 fitting plates. These will lip over on each corner of the system and will bolt through the floor. To have the system installed, we can arrange to do so at one of our depots. We have service centres dotted around the country. Alternatively, we can deliver this and you're able to install this yourself. So that was an introduction to the compact 425 litre. For more information, check out our website.